Hello, welcome to the VectisDAO demo. Today we're going to go through the browser extension. If you haven't watched the previous video on how to create your smart contract wallet, that would be very useful as a background to this. You'll be able to find our browser extension on the Chrome store, and I'm going to first add it. So when we open up the extension, we're able to create an account or import one like other browser wallet. So we're going to import the one that we used for the previous demo. So account has been set up. We could either go to the dashboard, which is the vector space, or we're just going to directly go ahead and use our extension. We have opened the extension. For this demo purpose, we're going to go and switch over to the Juno testnet, but other network is also supported, just like any other extension. So we'll select custom network because it's a testnet and select that. We're now able then to go ahead and synchronize all the smart contract wallets that has been controlled by this Vectis demo user. So we want to synchronize Vectis accounts. This is synced. You can see that this is a different icon because this is an externally owned account, and these are the Vectis smart accounts. You can obviously hide any of the accounts that might be not relevant or are frozen, etc. So we could hide, let's say, these two. It's great. Let's select a smart account that we're going to use in our demo. So the smart account has been selected. So the smart account has been selected. You can see that they have certain guardians, etc. For social recovery, and also we have implemented stealth mode. So you could still show the addresses, etc. without revealing your balances. Now you could send transactions from the smart account, just like you would on the extension. So we're going to send, say, one Juno over to the Vectis demo account. Great, transaction has been successful. Balance has been decremented here and increased over on the main controller Vectis demo account. Now that you have the extension, you could go ahead and use any dApps that are on Juno testnet and also supports our extension. Currently, we are on Superstar, which is a IBC enabled lottery where the randomness comes from Noise Network. This is done by Javier. So we're now going to connect to our wallet, allowing this chain. From the dApps perspective, the account could be externally owned or a smart contract wallet. This extension basically abstracts that layer away. Now let's get a lottery ticket. Here we're using the smart wallet to purchase this ticket. You can see here from the dApps perspective, the sender is this smart contract wallet address. What the extension does is wrap such a transaction inside and allow the controller to send it through the smart contract wallet back to the dApp. So let's approve that. So now we have this ticket. We could go ahead and check back here if we've won anything in about 9 minutes. If you want an overview of all your accounts and their interactions, you can go back to the Vectis.space dashboard, log in with your controller, ID, check out, say, the superstar, and you could see all of the transactions that's happened. Just a note here, the extension is going to have also the transaction activities in the next version. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to hearing your feedback.